What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off haptic feedback to save battery in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now from here open the app in which you want to turn off haptic feedback. And after opening the app, tap on notifications. Now click on notification categories and from here choose a category, and then you will see a vibrate button. So to turn off haptic feedback, tap on this button to turn it off. So that's how you can turn off haptic feedback to save battery on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.